So about accessing and holding your inner and outer peace, it's very important to have time to just listen within, to go within your deep, rich inner universe, and to allow for those sensations, those colors, those thoughts, those feelings of joy, of ease, of peace, of bliss and warm love, those feelings to just flow, be with you, be in you. And anytime you feel those discomfortable, anxious feelings or fear or whatever, know that it is something from the outside that is trying to invade your beautiful, peaceful universe. And you can observe them, learn from them, thank them, bless them for giving you another perspective to be able to expand your particular universe into greater joy and beauty, and incorporate them kind of like a virus. You know, in our bodies, we are more viruses and bacterias and germs than we are cells, but they are part of our ecosystem. In fact, I think Deepak Chopra and Sadhguru explained it. Maybe it was Sadhguru particularly that said, we are like a virus with consciousness, or a collective of viruses with consciousness. So we take this collective and we are conscious. When a new virus comes in, oftentimes there's a reaction by the rest of the biological being. And until that new virus comes in and makes harmony and flow with the rest of them, with the rest of the bacteria and the virus in us, then we feel this dis-ease, this unease. And it's the catalyst of the element of love, the love and appreciation of the diversity, of the differences, that actually helps catalyze that flow and that harmony and that love. And we are constantly growing and changing. We are constantly receiving new input from one another, from what we're experiencing in nature. We are so constantly bringing in what you may call the new viruses, the new upset the apple carts, right? Where we have to then, turn the apple cart right side up again, put the apples back inside, put in this new apple that came in, and continue to grow, continue to flow, continue to go down the road of our journey. And we are creating our journey as we flow, as we take in these new things, and as we bring them into harmony, bring them into our center, bring them into our truth. And part of this journey is expressing our experience, expressing our perspectives, expressing who we are in the truthfulness and the flow of who we are, to contribute to the flow of the collective, of the whole, whether you're talking about the whole of humanity, or the whole of a single, body being, embodied being. It's about rebalancing, about really bringing back into the flow. So inner peace, which makes outer peace, is about appreciating everything as an opportunity to expand love and joy. Appreciating, loving everything as an opportunity for expanding love and joy. You can reflect back on your own life and see situations that you thought were upsetting at the time, but now see how they really helped you expand, grow, have a greater joy and blessing and abundance in your life. And know that that is proof or indication that whatever is happening now is your opportunity for expanding joy, beauty, peace, love, your inner peace and your outer peace. Because the peace you have within yourself is the peace that you place into this world. And for that peace, I thank you. I thank you for bringing your peace into this world by breathing into your heart, finding that peace, joy, divine universe within, and being here on this earth in whatever expression you choose. Blessings.